In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Lucidchart. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer to the platform, this guide will help you add that extra bit of emphasis to your documents and diagrams with ease, making them even more impactful and easier to navigate for your audience. First things first, you'll need to go to Lucidchart's website by opening your web browser and entering the URL lucid.co. Once you're there, you'll notice a straightforward layout that guides you on your journey. At the top right of the page, you will see an option to log in. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. If you're logging in for the first time or haven't yet created an account, Lucidchart offers the convenient option to sign up using your Google account. Simply click on the Sign Up with Google button and follow the prompts to complete the process. For those who already have an account, logging in with your usual credentials will do the trick. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll find yourself on the Documents page. Here, to get started with highlighting text, locate and click on the Open button. This will bring up the document or chart you wish to work on. At this point, within your document, you'll want to highlight text. To do this, navigate to the text you'd like to emphasize. You can either double-click on a specific word or click and drag to select a portion of text. This step is crucial as it ensures that the subsequent changes you make are only applied to the text you've selected. You'll notice a toolbar appears above the selected text. Find the T symbol, which represents text options. Click on this, and a variety of formatting tools will unfold before you. Among these, look for the Text Highlight button, which is typically indicated by a highlighter marker icon. Click on this, and you'll be given a palette of colors to choose from. Finally, select the color you'd like to use for highlighting. Consider choosing a color that contrasts well with your text, ensuring that it's easily visible and effective in drawing attention. With your color selected, you'll see your text instantly highlighted, adding that touch of emphasis to your content. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to highlight text in Lucidchart. Whether you're preparing a presentation, organizing a project, or creating a visually captivating diagram, this skill can be quite handy. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to explore other features within Lucidchart to enhance your projects even further. Happy charting!